Girl, I'm sorry, but you are full of ideas. Oh my gosh, girl. Yes!
Tomorrow you can die.
Oh my gosh, you're so gorgeous. I love your hairstyle, by the way.
And
Baba Marta.
Baba
Yes, girl. Više nema okova, to sam ja. To si ti, girl. Gorgeous rehearsal performance.
I actually don't know if it was good.
Who is Zorja, actually? Who is that girl?
Who's that girl? Hashtag I'm Zorja too. There's like 2 hashtags. And
You are so worthy. Like, you slay.
thank you. We are all worthy. That's the point.
And that's on period, girl.
I wanted to say with the song, and I wanted with this song to say to go from the bottom to the top. I started doing that, and I saw that I could actually earn money. I mean, everyone did it in my life, but it's different when you go to streets and you just give everything on the plate, as my song says.
I get anxiety, literally.
Yeah, I also got anxiety when I'm still at home preparing to go outside. You know, like now I have to like open up to everyone, but I don't feel like opening up. I am the center of this table. Like it seems like easygoing, like you could do it, right?
Absolutely.
Feel like you could do it immediately. That's good, but it's not easy.
What? Girl, end the interview, we go home. What?
I did.
You are now successful. You are one of the favorites to win the Pesma za Eurovision. How cool is that?
I really want to thank the organizers.
Shout out to RTS, you guys. Oh my god. Volim te, duša zlato.
Volimo vas duše zlato, baš ste divni, hvala puno. They really, people just loved my voice.
By the way, you guys maybe don't know, but we are Virgos. We are sister
and
Virgos.
Cancer, like
Damn.
ascendant is
Damn.
Cancer, so we're the same. We're basically one person.
Oh my god, you're so intelligent. Like, I feel like your IQ is so high. Like, I cannot reach it, girl.
Više nema okova, ova duša borbena, kao pesma slobodna, to sam ja. You really got everything.
Oh my god.